Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thomas, owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor, otherwise known or referred to as EOEDesigns. And as you can see by the thumbnail of this video, I got a couple of things I want to do. I want to show y'all something real quick though, because the way I've been recording my content has not been in like a chronological order. It's been like, well, I recorded in chronological order, but I don't give it to y'all in a chronological way. Periodically time. But I want to show y'all something real quick that I just noticed with some balloons that I have, and then I'm gonna put this camera down and y'all just see what you see and get what you get. But I got some new inventory recently, and I was gonna do a whole thing of me going to pick it up, but it was just too much going on that day, and I had some other stuff that was kind of getting in the way, so I just said, you know what, I'll show them when I get everything kind of situated and settled. But before you ask, these are not purchased through Amazon. I actually ordered these through and from another design of the same thing that I did with my pipe and drape, so I don't have like links and things like that. And I know some people that probably don't follow or watch all of my content like some of you do are gonna ask where I got them from. I really can't share that, or not can't share that, but I really don't have that. I just, you know, partnered up with another designer, and that's how I got what I have. So I will say that it was a blessing, and that it did not take long for me to get these items, and also that it's been a long time coming, because I know some of y'all have been with me since the very beginning when I was doing small setups with, you know, what I had, chair covers, centerpieces, trying to make things work the best way I knew how and the best way I really could. I was not taught. I did not have a mentor. I didn't do a lot of studying to get where I am. I honestly it was my God-given gift that really has put me where I am today. And I'm thankful for it. I'm not boastful. I'm not proud. I honestly I walk in my calling, I stay in my lane. And of course, there's some other things and desires that I have that I really want to do, but you know, what God has for you is for you, and it's not my time yet, even though my heart's desire is to be in a whole nother place with, you know, certain things, but it's just not my time. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you what I have, and then just talk through this mess, because I have not had any events recently, and I want to get this stuff cleaned up and get organized so that when it's time to pull back the veil or go into storage, I can get to my stuff. So I have really been slacking on getting everything situated and closing out the end of the year, all of those things. So hold on, y'all, because I'm rambling and I know I'm going out there in the deep end. So this is what my storage looks like right now. I got a mess in here. I got stuff from events that I have not put up yet. These chairs normally sit on this side of my storage unit. Then these thrones normally sit in the middle. I have this chair that I bought a while ago that I have not really placed. And then I have stuff on the backside, like my shimmer walls and things that are stationed. Normally people get those shimmer walls and they take them and they put them up for the event, and then they take them down, but I don't do that. I put them on PVC pipe, and I just have them stationed or stationary for when it's time to load up for an event. I have my items, and then I got some stuff right here that needs to be placed. A lot of this stuff is just really displaced, and I thought about getting another storage unit a couple of months back, and it didn't make sense. So I just have stuff that really needs to be organized and put in its proper place, because everything has a place. And when I find myself having a lot of shelving here, there, everywhere, then I know that it just means that I need to get organized. And that is how I am able to do what I do with such just a small space. And I think this unit is about 400 square feet. It's a 20 by 20, so I think that's 400 square feet. So it's not huge, but it's not really, really small either. And the light just went out back there, but it's motion sensor. So that is where we are right now with where I am with my event designing and stuff. But y'all already caught a little glimpse of it. These are my new chairs. Y'all see the light want to come back on now. So I've already used the gold ones for an event, and the black ones I have not used, but they are like not an acrylic feel, because those are not acrylic, those are resin. Those are like a hard resin plastic, really hard to tell the pieces. These are lighter, but they're not stacked stacker friendly when I put them in the U-Haul. You see how they already have a little curvature when you stack them up, and those don't really have a curvature. I don't know how, I guess it's how they were made. And then you see how the legs kind of spread out right here in the back for the ones that are flipped up for those, and then the legs right here don't. So these are, actually, you're looking at 150 chairs, not including these. If you count these, that's about, because it's 12, so that's 162 chairs, plus my thrones. So you're looking at 150 chairs, 50 gold, 50 black, and 50 white. If y'all could see my face right there, like literally grinning, I am so thankful because, like I said, it's been a long time coming, and I'm just happy and excited because these is just doors that I really would have liked to been open months or years ago for me to get where I am now, but I'm slowly progressing. And this is the part of event planning that most people don't talk about, which is investing back into yourself. It is easy you can get money quick with this, especially if you have inventory. The money's at your fingertips. If somebody asks me about a safari baby shower, I've got it. If somebody asks me for something dealing with Halloween or using those black trees, I've got it. If somebody asks me for something that's wedding-y or with silvers, I got it. Golds, I got it. You know, charges and things back there, I got it. But so it's easy to reuse that inventory and to make the money off of these events, but it's even better when you decide to invest back in your own self and to profit into making a profit into yourself by investing in your inventory. So I know I might be a little bit behind the 8 ball when it comes to getting my own chairs and whatnot, because a lot of designers and people rent these. I don't like renting Chivalry chairs. I don't like renting really anything from anybody because I don't want to be held liable or responsible for their inventory. So that is how we got here. That is how I ended up here. I want to be the renter. Y'all know I'm a believer, so I believe in being the lender and not the borrower, the head and not the tail, above and not beneath, all of those things. So that is how I got here. That is why I have thrones and all of that other good stuff. But the thrones are probably, I think the thrones, y'all, is kind of going away. I don't see a lot of people that's really wanting thrones in other event designer worlds. But like I said, what God has for me is for me. So I'm going to keep using them until I graduate into the next phase of eventhood. So I'm going to sit y'all down, put y'all on time lapse while I figure out a couple of things and how I'm going to organize this unit, try to get you as close as possible so I can get it all just straightened up. And then real quick, these balloons have been blown up for at least 3 weeks. Don't sleep on Amazon balloon garlands. I'm leaving with you with that little tidbit. They've been in a weather and climate control room, and this is also helping me because it tells me how far in advance I can blow balloons up. I'm normally skittish about doing it 2 days in advance, but because I'm seeing that those balloons are holding up as good as they are, I think I'm gonna try my hand at going out a little further when I blow my stuff up. But that's all I wanted to share with y'all. Thank you again, and y'all stay tuned. All right, so this is the finished result of me getting in here and just kind of getting everything straight. Realistically, I still do need more space. I could always use more space, but I still have some dead spaces, like right here. I think I got a spot over here somewhere. And then I've got like 2 shelves down there. And then I've got a middle shelf back there. You can't really see it from right here. And then I got some space right here for my other stands that I have out right now. And this is what everything looks like. I still have to take that moon down. It comes in 2 pieces. And I'm gonna put that, I can slide that like in the corner of the cut right here. But let me show y'all, because it looks kind of like a lot right now, but it's really not. I still have space to walk through and pull inventory. These are the totes that I have that are extra for when I pack up and go out. I got these 2 chairs turned on the side. And then it's like right there, right here, I can condense this stuff. But I just, you know, for the sake of getting on out of here, it's been 2 hours. And then I've got a dead space right here. I got space right here that I can walk through with no problem. I got my numbers here. I tried to make everything kind of functional. So if I do need to come in here and pull something, I could just slide it out. But realistically, when I get to pulling for events and stuff, everything, I normally try to put like the big stuff back in its place, but like the table centerpieces that are like fill-in pieces, I don't necessarily get a chance to do. So that was what I did today. And I still didn't do all of what I wanted to do because I really wanted to go through linen and see all of what I had and get rid of some stuff like old linen that I don't use. But yeah, this is it, y'all. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'll talk to y'all next time.